Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change the language on your Dropbox app. Whether you're switching to a new language or adjusting settings for convenience, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the account icon. This is typically represented by a profile picture or an avatar. Next, scroll through the options and locate the language setting. Tap on it to open a list of available languages. Dropbox supports a wide range of languages, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. Now, browse through the list and select your preferred language. Once you've made your choice, the app will automatically update its interface to reflect the new language setting. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on your Dropbox app. It's a quick and easy process that ensures you can navigate and use Dropbox in the language you're most comfortable with. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.